How to post a photo video on TikTok. So if you want to post a photo video on TikTok, it is very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and first of all make sure to launch the TikTok app, and this is the interface that you'll be able to see. Now from here, what you have to do is, if you want to create a photo video, right, so you just want to add one photo but maybe with some kind of music or text or something like that, you can do that by simply tapping the plus icon. Now first you can choose a template if you want. If you want a single photo slideshow, then I can just select a certain template. I can tap on try this template. I can add a photo, then you can see it will automatically create a video for me based on the photo I have chosen. It's as simple as that. And later on I can just add some text or other options. But if I also want to go ahead and then basically without the template I want to post it, I can just go there, select a certain photo that I want, hit the next option. Now that I've added the photo, I can apply some edits to it right here, and once I've applied some edits, I can also basically add some text. I can add some voiceovers, and I can add some music, and even the music by tapping on the next option, and then I'll be able to convert it to a video. This way I can post a photo video on TikTok. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.